good evening, Miguel Love, shoutout everyone sa lahat na andito sa aking premiere tonight. Ayan, no? Ang ating premiere ay ito na. Ayan. Astro and Remy. This is from Astro and Remy. He is my sponsor to my lipstick, you know. Because Astro and Remy last January 21 had a grand draw entry and isa po sa mga nanalo si Astro and Remy. So, I told him, you have win. Where did I send your winning? But he said, buy some lipsticks for yourself from my winning. So, ito na yun. No? Ayan. In order ko, so, alam nyo guys, Astro was, nagulat siya. Sabi ni Astro, how did I win? I couldn't present because I'm gone. I fall asleep. You know, Astro and Remy, may grandpa. Hey, Andy. No lipstick, hindi. No lipstick. Because of lalabs pa nun, she was told me and said me, give Astro when even he could not present. And then, Anwar Labni was second demotion. All of them was agree. Pumayag silang lahat. And then, ako naman talaga, for me, in myself, I want to decide na I will give it the win to the prize I will give to Astro, because Astro is my, from the start of my entry, always always supporting my life and always super chat. So deserve po na ibigay natin ang winning ni Astro and Remy. So I think thankful din ako because of him, dumami ang aking mga lipstick. So, ngayon, i-unbox natin din. It is only, this one. It is only 135, and kasama na dito ang delivery charge, and this one also is 115. But the win of the Astro and Remy is 250, so 250 din. He was always super chat to me, and also tinama ko na rin tong tawag dito, it is a affordable price of perfume, no. So ayan, mag-ano na tayo unbox. Thank you Grandpa from Minnesota, USA. Astro and Remy, he is a very good person, truthful, kind person, and so he is a very generous person. I'm happy because I have friends. I have friend like him, you know. I have friend like him in other country. So kind, you know, guys. Inday Spanish because no lipstick. But I am always smiling. This is my hindrance and secret of my life. Looking young, you know. So before I start to unwrap or unbox this one, I introduce myself. I am Miss Nicaragua 2023, Miss Universe from Philippines. And I thank you. Shout out to all my Rangers friend. First of all, Astro and Remy from Minnesota, USA. Bon from California, USA. And also Mr. M2M from Arizona. I don't know where a White Fang from California. The Guitar from Chicago, and Peter Peace from Ontario, Canada. Ayan, Miguel Love shout out. Happy Joy Joy, Miguel Love shout also. Happy Joy Joy from Australia. I'm happy guys because of ako si Dals. If they have a live ako si Dals, then We have so many strangers. If you talk naughty, 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 ako si Das. Also, I am naughty. So, it is enjoy life lang. Hindi, we need to, if you have a life, we need din na mayroong kalukuhan para happy po. We need, live life to the fullest, no? Ayan, so, let's start. Basta I said, thank you so much, my grandpa. Hey, and Debbie, thank you so much for your so kind, for your, being humble. Thank you so much. Generous person, kind person, all of them you had. And talk like me. I have no lipstick because I don't use lipstick because I will try if I open this one. So I will get I will get the scissor. Hindi man ako kaanong magaling masyado sa English, but I tried my best to speak English so that all my Rangers friend understand what I'm talking about. Oh my God. And the Merles is so very, very talkative, half energetic because of the energy sampak to the earth, you know, guys. So I open this one. Gusto ni Astro and Remy have a mini lipsticks for myself. This is ang cute niya, guys. So cute. It is only 135. Ano bang tatak nito? Matte Liquid Lip Gloss Jolly Star. Okay, lip gloss. How to wear this liquid lipstick is easy to wear, that you just use sponge. Okay, pag inano mo na, no? Tingnan natin, buksan natin. Ang cute. Grandpa, I have new lipstick because of you. Thank you very much. Sumali pa itong isa. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin, i-try natin, guys. Kulay. Hindi ko pa alam. This is ano bang flavor nito? Alam ko kissing Wait lang, I will tingin. Oh my God, hindi ko makita. What is the flavor of this Alam ko dito lang eh. You know, guys, Jolly Star ang kanyang tatak, Jolly Star. Hindi ko to alam kung nakalimutan ko order ko nasa cellphone ko. I forgot it. Oh my God. My eyes is hindi na ako makabasa, guys, ng So, Grandpa, thank you for this. Oh my God, paano ba ito natin i-open? Oh, I'm so excited. Baliktad pa ang pagka-open ni Inday. So virgin. It is so virgin. Oh my God. I will sira-sira the carton is. The carton is. Oh, lala. Ayan. Try nga natin. Try natin. Oh, lala. Oh, lala. Okay, try. Oh, wag lulo ba? Oh my God. Wait. Try natin kung maganda ba. Ang bango niya, guys. Ang bango, no?
Amoy, hindi ko na amoy.
Huwag ka muna magulang. Amoy mo.
Amoy.
Alam mo, guys, the smells so good. It smells so good like a candy fruit. Like a watermelon or what else?
Watermelon.
Huwag ka magulang dyan. Ang bango, no? O, diba? She told me they had a good smell. And also this one, it is also a lipstick, guys. So I will no. Ganda ba, guys? Ayan, diba? Yung iba, hindi ko na isubo. Maganda siya. Kasi ito talaga unang nabit ko, guys. Nasira na, ano. It's hard to, ano. And also this one. Wow! A lots of lipstick and dimers. A lots of lipstick. Bonchi. Ayan. 5 limang ano to guys, 5 flavor, 5 flavor daw, 5 colors. Oh my god, ano ba to? Side to where's is the ano. Thank you my grandpa Astro and Remy, pinasaya mo ako. I am thankful, I am so happy because of you. You made my lips to complete. Hindi na my day. You made my lips to complete the color of the lipstick. Oh my God. Ang saya ko, you know, I am happy because, di ba, I have a friend like you. Even, hindi pa tayo nagkakilala ng matagal. No me yet. Hoyet. Ayan, ang dami. Ang cute day, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Iba-ibang flavor to, guys. Yan, ano natin. Ayan, oh. Red. Anong gagawin natin? Lagay natin sa ating dito para makita nyo. Ayan po ang color niya, guys. Parang dugo, guys. Lots of lipstick. Oh my God.
Wow, dami.
Baka manguha na dito si Ami. Lots of lipstick like this.
Lagay ko kaya. Lahat. Baka manguha si Bea.
Anim guys. 6,
6.
This one.
Amoy nga ako neto.
Oh.
Lipstick kaya ako.
Oy, wag mo nang galawin ang gulo ni Ami Yumi. Anong amoy?
Sarap.
Huwag mo nang guluhin na.
Sarap.
Ang sarap daw, sabi ni Ami.
Kainin.
Sik, may brown pala, sik. Dami. Daming flavor, parang dugo na, guys. Daming, color, Oh my God. Iba-ibang kulay na sa lips ni Inday, di ba? Okay, this is, we have 7 days in 1 week. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hoy, Ami, nasaan yung iba? 5, 6. 6 days in 1 week. So, I will wear this, this kind of lipstick. Iba-ibang kulay. Oh my God, parang may dugo, guys. But, I was thankful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you so much also for Mr. M2M. Last December 21 was super chat to me, and also my friend in Japan, F2M, Florence Sato, and Axel Putzel. Thank you for the gift of my birthday, the super chat. You know, guys, if you have super chats to me, some people was telling me I need your help, Inday. Tinutulungan ko sila. Some people need help to me, humingi ng tulong pera. Kaya ito naman, isusunod natin because of Astro and Remy. Always super chat me, even I have my live every day before comes my birthday. I started my pa-entry last January 3. Then doon ko po nakilala si Astro and Remy. Nagulat ako kasi I don't know where the YouTube channel na nakilala ko si Astro and Remy. But bigla nang that time when I have a live, and that morning I got Astro and Remy was dropping to my live, and then ako si Dals, natatawa ako kay ako si Dals kasi ako si Dals that time is nagbi-BG lang siya, ako si Dals, tapos biglang nawala na yung mga tao. Then I said, kasi I remember that January 21 is my birthday. Actually guys, when I got alive, hindi ko naisip na birthday ko pala pagka January 21, but naalala ko, I remember, oh my God, it's my birthday this coming January 21. So I was telling to my live na okay, magpapa-entry ako today. I was laughing because ako si Dals was nagtatago, hiding my live. Ako si Dal was hiding my live. She cannot commented inside the live chat comment. But when I say, okay, I have pa-intro today for my birthday this coming January 21. Oh my God, lumabas ako si Dals. Ako si Dals sis. Busit, napalabas mo ako. Tawang-tawa talaga ako nun, guys. Ayan, so alam mo, thankful ako dahil nandyan kayo, na lagi nagsusuporta sa akin, nagmamahal kay Inday. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat na sumusuporta sa akin, sa lahat ng mga nagsusuper chat. Unang-una may the very generous mommy inside in White World, no other than Mami Tis talaga. Si Mami Tis po talaga is the best kasi marami din siyang pinasaya talaga, lalo na pag maging anak kayo ni Mami Tis. So I told you, Astro and Remy, Mami Tis was told me, Day, I can help Astro and Remy to his watch hour. Tulungan ka ni Mami sa yung watch hour kasi Astro and Remy is not a monetized channel. But Astro and Remy said to me, kahit daw hindi siya ma-monetize channel, na-enjoy lang daw siya. So ito naman ay pabango. Ayan, perfume. It 3 pieces, it is only 120 pesos. Trip ko lang din, iwan ko kung anong amoy nito. So, i-unbox din natin. This is from Astro and Remy also. Because Astro and Remy, a lot of, every day I have a live. Astro and Remy always super chat for me. Nakakatuwa si, so very generous person talaga si Astro and Remy. Kasi once na nagkadikitan kayo ni Astro and Remy, guys, Astro and Remy was supportive person. Very supportive person. If you want to, pag nakita kayo ni Astro and Remy na dinikitan nyo siya, was connected to their channel, Astro and Remy nagbe-visit talaga sa inyo, guys. So, ayan. Tingnan natin kung anong to. Minsan lang po tayo magkatagpo ng ganyang mga kaibigan, no? Marami namang mga mabubuting may mga puso dito sa, thankful po ako, everyone. I will shout out everyone for those whole super chat to my premiere last January 21 and to my live. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Si God na po ang bahala magbalik sa inyo. Kasi alam niyo guys, yung binigay niyo sa akin na tulong, tinulong ko rin sa iba. Ayaw kong umiyak. Tinulong ko rin yan sa iba kasi I have marami na po akong tinulungan, hindi ko lang ino-open. Natutuwa ako pag may sinabi sa akin, Inday, ganito, ganyan. Talagang ako din kasi, even I am not a lot of money, but if there's one person to need help, tinutulungan ko talaga kasi I feel kung yung taong walang-wala, feel ko talaga yan. Ayan, umiyak na naman ako na. Napipil ko yan talaga. Alam nyo guys, intindihan nyo na lang na ako talaga napakababaw ng luha ko guys. Ganun talaga. Wow, so cute! Ayan, love it. Super love it. Ang cute guys. Datatak is Jupian, Coco. Tingnan na, amuyin natin kung mabango. Nako,
Ba?
ayan ang cute. So,
Hindi na bubura.
wag mo munang anuyin.
Bubura.
Hindi, no? Okay, ulit ka mo. Amuyin natin kung mabango ba. Spray pala siya, guys.
Umay nga,
Sabi ko,
paamoy.
mabango ba?
Ang sarap mo.
Ang sarap daw. Ami, she told, yummy. Oh my God, this is not, siguro sa amoy. Ang ganda ng amoy, guys. Then, the next one is ito. Thank you so much, Astro and Remy, ha. Pinasaya mo ako. I am happy. I am happy. Because of you, my grandpa, I am happy. So, tingnan din natin ito. Oh, dami ko ng pabango, guys. Oh my God, so cute talaga. Oh, it is so cute. But ito talaga girly, no? Ito is, perfume, Eau de Parfum. Perfume Paris. Tingnan natin, amoy natin. Mabango din, pero I know, parang pang lalaki. Parang pang lalaki.
Pang lalaki.
Okay, narinig na ni Kinkin. May, wag ka pag panlalaki, guys, makukuha to ni Kinkin. Alam niyo si Kinkin, yung the only one boy child of Inday, no other than Ken Russell. I have 3 children, 4 children, 3 girls and 1 boy. Thank you so much kasi napaka-blessed. I am blessed because I have so many friends. Ano ba yan? This 2024, I am happy because I have, binigay sa akin siguro sa akin ni Lord si Astro and Remy. No, you know guys, Astro and Remy have a family. Have a wife. They had a granddaughter, grandchildren, you know. Astro and Remy is he is a very good husband to his wife. Ayan. Ano din to, oh. Maganda din. Diba? Amoy natin. So, mabango talaga siya, guys. Mabango, pang talaga. Pang girl lalo. Yan. Ano lang yung, the smell is good. Slight, maganda. Pag lalaki to, naamoy ko na to. This perfume is, I smell to, my lover boy. Rolando Chavez. Today is January 28, the birthday, this is the, special day of my lover boy. Ayan. So, I'm happy. Thank you so much, Astro and Remy, for this gift of my birthday. Ayan. I'm happy. I'm thankful. Thank you so much because of you, my friends, Astro and Remy, my grandpa in Minnesota, USA. Salamat at nakilala kita. Thank you, thank you. I'm thankful. Si Lord na bahala. Si God na ang bahala magbalik sa iyong kabutihan. Ayan. Ay, happy. Every day I have. Maganda siya, guys. No? Ito yung ginamit ko. So, ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope na pasensya na kayo sa aking vlog for today. Ito lang. Maybe later, dapat itong ngayong gabi to na January 28. Ngayong gabi ko na January 28 i-play itong premiere set ko ng 8:45 PM, but Nolan was gusto niyang go to the park and malapit sa post office kasi may bagong open daw doon. I-vlog ko. Siguro makikita niyo yan. So to all my friends in YT World, to all my friends who supporting everyday live before my birthday. Thank you so much dahil pinasayan niyo ako, no. Thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting and thank you so much for Wa Gabai, Florence Sato, kasi minsan nagpapalaro siya doon sa live ko and also na Imangyan. Thank you so much sa inyo guys. Sa lahat-lahat na nandoon, we love you all guys. Sa lahat-lahat na doon na pinasaya nyo ako sa aking birthday. Even I have no handa, but I surprised because of my cousin. She win daw, nanalo daw siya ng ewan ko kung ano na panalunan yan din. She calling me, Insan, you cook adobo. Punta daw ako sa palengke, bili daw ako ganito. Sabi ng pinsan ko, may pera ka ba dyan? Sabi ko, yes, meron, bakit? Sabi niya, may pera ka ba dyan, pero babayaran kita. I will pay you later. Sabi ng pinsan ko, if you have money, go to the wheat market and buy pork meat, and then I will pay you later. Oh my God. I was surprising guys because they have cake, they have cake. Then I was surprised kasi one of my cousin also, Geraldine, December 22, also her birthday.
Mapalalaki.
So, ginuwi na lang namin. Paglalaki ko talaga yan. Tingnan mo si Ami. So, ayan. Sure and Remy, this is my youngest daughter, Ami, was through the entry. And Astro and Remy name was also very lucky because Ami was, siya po yung nag-draw. She pulled out the entry name and he got the name of Astro and Remy. Okay, tabi.
Biyamahin mo kung mabango.
So, ayan guys, yun lang. Thank you for this, Astro and Remy. Hope God bless you more and hope someday I will meet the snow. So, ayan, thank you so much guys. No, thank you so much guys. So, ayan, thank you for everything. Thank you also kay Mami Tis kasi before dumating yung birthday ko, Mami Tis was treating to the Vikings. Ayan. Ali Vikings at BGC, o di ba? Para na ring may handa ako because of that. Because of Mami Tis was treating the team Mami Tis na i-treat niya kami sa Ali Vikings at BGC. I am happy because guys, siyempre pa-birthday ko na tapos January 13 was advance, kumbaga 2 weeks at 1 week advance before my birthday, no? So thank you also Mami Tis for the treat fitting for your mga anakis. So ayan guys, I love you all guys, sa aking mga Power Rangers, especially to my grandpa Astro and Remy and Devinette. Thank you so much for being supportive. Anyone, not me only, but anyone. Thank you so much. Florence Sato, Gabai, magkikita din tayo. Pakagat nga. So, ayan. Bye-bye. God bless you more and see you around, guys. At support lang tayo. At meron pala akong sasabihin sa lahat po na sa lahat po na nanalo doon sa aking live last January 21 na hindi nakapag-present, wait lang kayo at ibibigay ko yun sa inyo. So, Bon, my friend Bon, you have won 50 pesos. Where did I give? Where did you donate the 50 pesos? Please comment Bon if you watch this video. But I love you so much, my grandpa. You're so kind talaga. And I was happy because of you. So, guys, grandpa have a family. But grandpa Andy is my friends. I love this because he is so very so kind, truthful. Thank you so much also. Thank you so much also for AIDS Hernandez, because AIDS Hernandez is the one of my sponsor of my pa-entry. Kasi alam niyo guys, I ashamed na magsasabi ako na sponsoran niyo ako, but the one and only was sponsoring to me is my lover boys. Nolan Cap Chavez is called Astro and Remy is my lover boy, you know. So si Nolan lang talaga ang talagang magpa-games ka, birthday mo today, January 28, is my birthday. So wala kaming handa kasi malalaki na naman, matanda na. Pag matanda na, mag-thank you na lang sa Panginoon na marami pang birthdays to come and age to add, diba? Ang sa akin lang, healthy, always healthy, tapos always masaya. Ayan, live life to the fullest. Ayan yan. Thank you, AIDS, kasi si Nolan lang talaga ang aking sponsor, guys. Then si AIDS, biglang napasok sa live ko. Then sabi niya, "Oy, mag-ano ako." Sabi ko, "Sigurado ka?" Sabi ni AIDS, "Ibaba mo na yung GCash number mo." Sabi ko, "Wag na, saka na lang sa January 21. So, si AIDS kasi nakilala ko, nag-meet na kami dahil kay Pretty Me at saka kasi may usapan sila, mag-meet daw sila sa MOA, din sinama din nila ako. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, AIDS Hernandez, Astro and Remy, M2M, Wagabai, Axel Puchil, Wagabai, F22M. Thanks to everyone. Anwar Labni was the one of my secretary. She was always dropping the link, and my shout out sa aking kumari, no other than Holly G sa family for the counting. Thank you so much kasi hindi ko in-expect na andun kayo. Thank you so much sa mga taong nagpapasaya sa akin. Lahat kayo, masaya ako. Hindi ko man kayo ninsaya panunsyo. Ako si Dals, Lalabs, Teji, thank you so much. Sino pa, Naimangyan, M2M, AIDS Hernandez, Inids, Elin, M-Stabs, sa lahat-lahat na pumunta doon, Fire Tiger Vlog, Mami T, sino pa yung mga nandoon, Lalabs Virgie, thank you so much, kasi si Lalabs Virgie din, always din yan sa tapos sino pa, sino ba, I forgot, no, lahat-lahat po kayo, basta lahat, Lalabs Pele de los Reyes na yung nagpapasaya din sa akin na always saying, "Beauty Queen." Ayan, ako si Dal, binabaliw niya ako sa live ko. Always they have a Q&A. But it is hard to speak English. But I am happy because you are so very supportive. Desilin, ayan, Danica, Ining, Smalit. Lahat po kayo. Sorry po sa mga hindi ko nabanggit. Pero lahat po kayo. Love ko kayo. Love. Renz TV, ayan, thank you so much sa inyo. Ayan. So, bye-bye. I will end my tik. Tok. Kung si Astro and Remy pa, may grandpa and Divinity, tok. And thank you so much also, Angie, no? Angie, thank you so much. At saka, thank you so much, grandpa, because of you, I know the song Remember When. Remember When, guys, it is a very nice song. It is very nice song din, parang sad song kasi it has a good lyrics. Napakaganda ng lyrics ng kanta na yan. So ayan. This is a Tears of Joy. Thank you so much. I have this. I have some lipsticks for myself from the winning of Astro and Remy. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan, kita-kits. I love you all. And it's time to end my vlog. Magpapaalam na sa inyo. Miss Nicaragua 2023 Miss Universe from Philippines. Ayan, bye-bye. Love you all, guys.